Okay, so let's see. Um, are relatively cheap to buy. So this point has already been mentioned in quite a few places. So I'm going to cancel that. Um, are easy to make and you can create your own candle designs. I'm also going to cancel this because we make candles, so I don't want to be giving the wrong idea. So I'm going to cancel that. There are many different types of soy wax candle that you can choose from. Okay, the type of soy wax you choose depends on your personal preference. So this can be added in as one point, and we can have the system elaborate more on this. So let's see what we can get out of this. I'm going to leave this in so the system has an idea of what we're talking about and add the next point. Um, Cancel the bullet points. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to put long and press right for me. Okay, wow. Okay. There are many different types of soy wax candles you can choose from. There are paraffin-based candles, which may be regular paraffin wax is still preferred. Okay, these candles also do not produce very strong scent. Okay, so this is not exactly what I wanted, because we don't make paraffin candles. Let's see if I can get a few different results by adding the same input. So this is a good trial. I've obviously added the same input. Um, so I'm going to add a little more. We make candles in different fragrances like cinnamon, peppermint, and vanilla. We also have candles of different sizes. Okay, so I've added in a little more detail. So let's see if that they can work with this. Okay, the candles we have include pillar, tea light, and votive. This is pretty impressive because we do have pillar, tea light, and votive. We also offer several scents like red, apple, and vanilla. You can choose from a wider variety of colors. We also provide variety of styles. This is perfect actually. I'm pretty surprised at how specific and correct this is to our company. I'm gonna go ahead and use all of this. This worked pretty well. Copy. Um, and I'm gonna add these 2 points. Choose from according to your preference. So as you've seen, I've combined the points. Preference. Um, Now add this. So this is pretty correct. Okay. Now we don't offer red vanilla, red apple. So I'm just gonna cut this out. Everything else is correct. So I'm just gonna stick with this. Okay, so now we have pointers for just about everything. Just a few remaining. Let's see. So like candles make a statement not just with color but also with the scent and the way they produce a light. I'm gonna add this to the ambience pointer because it obviously beauty to your home, so it involves color and scent. So I'm gonna add that. Soy wax candles are safe for use. Okay, so this is a good point. I'm gonna add copy and see if we can get anything for safety. Uh, so let's try it in long form and try another um, option. Okay, oops. Cut. Hmm. Copy this. Paste. Okay, already we're getting an option. Let's see if it's related. Windows, you can order your candles online so you can change the scent. safe for use. Okay, so this is perfect actually. Obviously, this has more detail about our shipping and how to procure the product, but later on it says you can order your candles online today so you can enjoy the nice scent of a real candle without worrying about fire hazards and burns. Okay, um, I'm gonna use this. I think this is a good um, ending to the blog, so I'm gonna so we can leave in our credentials. Obviously, this is not the name of our store, so I'm going to just change that from candle store. You will get them shipped to your door. That's correct. We also offer candles to be easily placed in windows and other outdoor spaces. Okay, you can order your candles online today so you can enjoy the nice of a real candle without worrying about fire hazards. Okay, we also offer free shipping from all orders over 50, which we actually do. So I'm going to approve this. This makes perfect sense. It's also a good ending to the blog. So we can have customers click on and search our company in the end. So I'm going to leave that. But that's not exactly what we were looking for. So I'm going to go exit this and see if we can use some other tools to get more information about the safety of the blogs. Sorry, safety of the candles. Okay, let's go to writing tools. Okay, let's try bullet to paragraph again, considering it was very helpful in other cases. Let's go to Squareback scanners are easy. Yep, this is the one. Copy, paste. Okay, let's see. Are safe to use in all parts of the, including children's room. They come in different colors. Okay, so this is included one point that we just added here. They come in different colors, fragrances. Okay, great alternative. Are safe to use in all parts. They are non-toxic on a daily basis. If you have a kid or thinking about having a kid, I'm sure you want to make sure that your home is safe. Soy scanners are great because they don't contain any dangerous and can be used. This is perfect actually. I'm gonna favorite this one. I'm gonna also favorite the first option. No, no, not the first one. I'm gonna favorite this one as well. Let's see if we can find anything else. Okay, I'm pretty happy with what we've gotten so far. So let's go to favorite. Okay, okay. Let's use this. Copy. They are non-toxic. So I'm going to be using this part uh, and leaving out any other unnecessary points. So paste that. Okay, so this is good. I'm pretty happy with that. Can also be used as an alternative to traditional candles. Okay, so let's just have another look at the menu and see if we haven't already used some of the tools here. Um, okay, okay, so this is interesting. So under ideation, we just use blog ideas, but there are other also options like growth ideas, upsell ideas, viral ideas. So I think these could be very useful for like social media marketing and other forms, you know. Website tools, blog intro, we've basically used all of this. I think microcopy is more specific to like having a brief definition. So microcopy is a small little words and sentences you can come across on the internet. Okay. This we don't need for our blog, but this seems pretty useful if I'm creating any Facebook ad or Instagram ad. So email tools, catchy subject lines. Okay, that's pretty helpful as well. Writing tools, we've checked all of this out. Social media, video intro, and Facebook ads. Okay, so this is really helpful considering most of my blog comes from video intro, so this is a good option. Okay, so far we've tried everything that we've wanted. Let's try to finish this article now. These 2 points are similar, so I'm going to cut this. Okay, so do we have right? Okay, so we basically have a para for each pointer, and just like that, we've created an entire article without having to write a single sentence. This is pretty impressive. Obviously, this can be very helpful for people who are very busy, who don't want to hire a copywriter because you're just starting off your business. You can use this tool, and if you're having a writer's block or any such problem, you can also use it to generate ideas. So the way I see this being helpful for me is when I've been asked to write an article and I don't know how to go about it. I can always go to blog outline, have an idea on what should be in my article, or things like that. Or if you're also starting off and you're new to the business, you want to know what your customer is looking for, you can always put in your details of your um, of your company, and the results are obviously generated according to the existing content, so you can have a better idea of what customers want, and I think that's pretty helpful as well. So far this has been pretty successful. I'm very happy with this. I'm going to continue on. I hope this video was helpful. Yeah, thank you.